Hey there, in this video we're going to talk about how to connect your new website to your GoDaddy domain. GoDaddy is a very popular registrar. That's where a lot of people buy their domains, and domain is just the URL of the business. So let's go ahead and go into this. So first off, you'll need an IP. Basically, that's where the server of where the website is hosted. So that's like the server IP. So we're gonna go that route. If you can't figure this out, it's too complex, you could also do the delegate account, delegate access, and this basically gives that person who's setting up the website access to manage your. You don't have to give them your GoDaddy login and password. You could just give them access to this part of it. Basically, they could access your domain to point it to the server, right? So that's delegate access. So we're gonna go. We won't go through every single step, but I'll show you where you can find it, and you just have to add the person's email. So for this one, the first one, let's do the IP. All right, so you're gonna go into your GoDaddy account, which looks like this. This is my account, so as you can see these domains here. So you're gonna go to your account. You're gonna go where your domains are located, usually under products. Click one of the domains or whatever domain that you want to use. Once you're in this part of the portfolio for your domain portfolio, you're gonna see that it says DNS. You're gonna see overview, DNS, products, activity log. You're gonna go to DNS, and once you're in DNS, you see here there's DNS records, forwarding, Nameservers, premium DNS, host, a ton of stuff. The ones that you want to use, because we're not gonna switch where the DNS is managed, otherwise you would go to Nameservers and change it to wherever you want to manage them. We're keeping everything on GoDaddy. We're just hosting a website. We're just pointing it to a website to host outside of GoDaddy's registrar. So you're gonna go to DNS records. Here you're gonna put add a new record. Okay, so here you can see that it says new records. So here you're just gonna put a record. That's what you need to use for if you're hosting a website somewhere else and you just want to connect it from your GoDaddy registrar, your GoDaddy domain, to that website. So here you're just going to put at, and here is the value, which is going to be the IP. Whatever the IP of that server is, you're going to put in here. Let's say it's going to be like 345, right? Dot 123, right? Or 123. It's going to be something like this. That's going to be the value of the server. And here you could just leave it a half an hour. It doesn't matter. And then you just click save, and that'll save that record, meaning now this domain, this URL is pointing to that server where your website is, your new website. And that's how that works. Otherwise, yeah, the other way that you could do it, if you don't want to give somebody your access to your GoDaddy account, you could just go on your account here where it says, you see JS for me, Jose Salazar. You'll press there, and then there's account settings. You'll go to account settings, and there they'll have a delegate access. So let's just do it. I know there might be some of my info here, but I don't really care because it's nothing that's not public already. All right, so my profile. So you're going to go to delegate access. You see that on the left hand side. Once you're in the account,